guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys how to prepare a rice serum easily at home. So this rice serum is best for skin lightening, skin tightening as well as in anti-aging. This rice serum helps in treating dark spots, pigmentation, acne scars, and it will also remove all the suntan from your skin completely. It lightens and brightens your skin and makes your skin really bright, glowing, hydrating and moisturized from within. So this rice serum has rice as its main ingredient, and as you all know that rice is best for anti-aging. Rice has been used since many years by Japanese and Korean women in their skincare routine because rice gives the best anti-aging effect. Rice have the tendency to clear out your skin and to remove the dark spots and acne scars from your skin. It also works really well in fading away all the wrinkles, fine lines and the sagging skin and gives you that ageless effect on your skin. So all those effects have been packed into this rice serum. So definitely use this serum if you want to tighten, brighten and make your skin ageless and much more glowing than before. So to prepare this rice serum, we firstly gonna need rice flour, and here I'm taking approx half a teaspoon of rice flour into a clean bowl. Next up you're gonna need milk, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of milk into it. And after adding the milk, I'm just giving a good mix to both these ingredients so that they both mix with each other nicely. And after mixing them nicely, we are gonna need glycerin. And here I'm adding approx 2 teaspoons of glycerin into it. After adding the glycerin, we are gonna need vitamin E oil, and if you don't have this oil, then you can also use the vitamin E capsules which are easily available in the market. And here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it, and if you're using the capsules, then you have to use 2 vitamin E capsules. And after adding this oil, just mix everything really well so that they all mix with each other nicely and makes a smooth and a runny paste. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade rice serum is ready and it will look something like this. This rice serum is fully packed with anti-aging and skin brightening and lightening benefits into it, and the consistency of this serum should be really smooth and so much shiny and glossy as you can see in the video. And now let's see how to store this rice serum. So to store this rice serum, you can use any airtight container. I'm using this small glass airtight dropper, and I'm just transferring this rice serum into this small glass dropper. This serum has amazing anti-aging properties into it, so if you have wrinkles, fine lines or sagging skin, then this rice serum will help to treat that. It will fade away all those wrinkles and fine lines permanently and will give you ageless look on your skin. This face serum is best for skin lightening and for skin brightening. So if you have suntan on your skin or you got uneven skin complexion, then this serum will help to treat that and will give you glowing, brighten and hydrating skin. And you can store this rice serum in refrigerator for up to 10 to 15 days. And to use this rice serum is supremely easy. Just apply a few drops of this serum all over your skin and then just pat it down into your skin and massage it in circular motion so that your skin completely absorbs this serum and gives you best benefit. And once your skin completely absorbs this serum, just leave it like that for some time so that your skin can get best results out of this serum. And for the best results, you have to use this serum once or twice in a day. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.